Question number 1. What should you do if your brakes fail while driving? Option A, pump the brake pedal and downshift. Option B, turn off the engine immediately. Option C, jump out of the vehicle. The correct answer is A, pumping may restore brake pressure and downshifting helps reduce speed. Question number 2. What does a solid white line between lanes indicate? Option A, passing is allowed. Option B, lane changes are discouraged. Option C, traffic moves in opposite directions. The correct answer is B, solid white lines indicate limited lane changes. Question number 3. When approaching a pedestrian using a white cane, you must, Option A, honk to alert them. Option B, yield and stop if necessary. Option C, proceed slowly. The correct answer is B. A white cane signals visual impairment and requires yielding. Question number 4. What is the safest way to handle a tire blowout? Option A, brake hard immediately. Option B, grip the wheel and slow gradually. Option C, turn sharply off the road. The correct answer is B, maintaining control prevents loss of steering. Question number 5. When driving at night, which lights should be used in fog? Option A, high beams. Option B, low beams. Option C, hazard lights. The correct answer is B, high beams reduce visibility in fog. Question number 6. What does a yellow line on the left edge of a roadway mean? Option A, passing is prohibited. Option B, the road edge is on the left. Option C, traffic flows both ways. The correct answer is B, yellow edge lines mark the left boundary. Question number 7. You must stop at a railroad crossing when, Option A, you see a train far away. Option B, flashing red lights are active. Option C, the gate is raised. The correct answer is B, red signals require a complete stop. Question number 8. When is it legal to pass a school bus with flashing red lights? Option A, when no children are present. Option B, on a divided highway. Option C, never. The correct answer is B, divided highways allow opposing traffic to proceed. Question number 9. What does a green arrow signal indicate? Option A, you must turn in the arrow's direction. Option B, you may proceed straight. Option C, prepare to stop. The correct answer is A, green arrows provide protected turns. Question number 10. What should you do if an animal suddenly enters the roadway? Option A, swerve sharply. Option B, brake firmly while staying in lane. Option C, speed up. The correct answer is B, swerving increases crash risk. Question number 11. When driving on a long downhill grade, you should, Option A, shift to a lower gear. Option B, ride the brakes. Option C, turn off the engine. The correct answer is A, engine braking prevents overheating. Question number 12. What is the minimum following distance in ideal conditions? Option A, 1 second. Option B, 2 seconds. Option C, 3 seconds. The correct answer is C. 3 seconds allows safe reaction time. Question number 13. What does a rectangular red and white sign typically indicate? Option A, warning. Option B, regulatory requirement. Option C, guide information. The correct answer is B. These signs enforce traffic laws. Question number 14. What is the safest action when approaching a stale green light? Option A, accelerate. Option B, prepare to stop. Option C, maintain speed. The correct answer is B, stale greens may change unexpectedly. Question number 15. What should you do if you become angry while driving? Option A, drive faster. Option B, focus on the other driver. Option C, calm down and create space. The correct answer is C, aggressive driving increases collision risk. Question number 16. What does a flashing yellow arrow mean? Option A, stop. Option B, yield while turning. Option C, turn is protected. The correct answer is B. You must yield to oncoming traffic. Question number 17. When parallel parking, your wheels should be how far from the curb? Option A, within 6 inches. Option B, within 12 inches. Option C, touching the curb. The correct answer is B, parking within 1 foot meets legal requirements. Question number 18. What should you do if your vehicle begins to overheat? Option A, continue driving. Option B, turn off the engine immediately. Option C, pull over safely and stop. The correct answer is C, overheating can cause severe engine damage. Question number 19. What does a broken yellow line indicate? Option A, passing allowed when safe. Option B, no passing. Option C, emergency lane. The correct answer is A, broken yellow lines permit passing cautiously. Question number 20. When approaching an intersection with flashing yellow lights, you should, Option A, stop completely. Option B, proceed with caution. Option C, yield to all traffic. The correct answer is B, flashing yellow lights warn drivers to be cautious.